Diamonds are formed deep within the Earth's mantle, under extreme heat and pressure, where carbon atoms crystallize over billions of years before being brought to the surface by volcanic eruptions through kimberlite pipes. Even though volcanic eruptions bring them closer to the surface, they remain buried deep within kimberlite pipes, narrow vertical rock formations that are often hundreds of meters underground, so mining is needed to access and extract them. Diamonds are evaluated by the 4 C's: cut, color, clarity, carat diamonds that have complex cuts, clean uniform colors, and clarity, and have the bigger size are valued higher. Do keep in mind that when natural diamonds hide certain costs that may not be visible in the store you visit. Mining disturbs vast areas of land, damaging habitats and biodiversity. Chemicals and sediments used in mining and extraction pollute rivers and groundwater. Heavy machinery and transport use large amounts of fossil fuels. Soil erosion and deforestation, especially in tropical or forested regions. Mine workers face unsafe conditions, low wages, and child labor. Conflict diamonds or blood diamonds fund armed conflicts and human rights abuses. Large-scale mining can force communities off their land. Dust, noise, and chemical exposure can harm miners and nearby populations. It's often hard to trace a diamond's origin. Supply is controlled by key players to keep prices high. Even though diamonds aren't as rare as marketed, this brings us to lab-grown diamonds. Diamonds that are created in a lab can be produced on demand in controlled environments, unlike natural diamonds which take billions of years to form and are limited in quantity. What's more, there's no geological exploration or mining required. Their composition, hardness, appearance when compared to a natural diamond is identical. They do not come with the hidden costs of natural diamonds as well. Lab-grown diamonds are up to 70% cheaper, as they can be sold directly by the manufacturers. An added benefit of the costs being low is that you can design your jewelry and cut your diamonds in any shape you desire. Let's talk about how they're made. High pressure. High-temperature diamonds are made using a hydraulic press and a heating element to apply the same pressure and heat that natural diamonds receive from the earth. Whereas natural diamonds take millions of years, a cubic anvil press could make a diamond in less than a month. Chemical vapor deposition diamonds are made by placing a diamond seed in a vacuum chamber filled with carbon-rich gas, usually methane, which is heated into plasma, so carbon atoms break off and deposit layer by layer onto the seed, forming a diamond. This process takes anywhere from 2 weeks to 12 weeks, depending on the desired quality of the diamonds. Natural diamonds, or lab-grown diamonds, are physically, chemically, and optically the same. Only advanced instruments can tell them apart. You can choose lab-grown diamonds if you care about eco-friendliness and ethical sourcing. You can choose lab-grown diamonds if you want more sparkle for less money. You can choose natural diamonds if you value long-term resale investment potential. But note, most diamonds lose resale value regardless.